Whether you work as a team or work from home, printers are an essential part of most jobs. The question is, what would make more sense for your printing experience? Ink or toner? Today we're going into the qualities or each, so you can decide what suits your business best. Ever wondered why your photos pop with color? Ink cartridges are the secret. They're perfect for high-quality prints, delivering sharp images and detailed graphics. Ideal for photos and brochures, ink ensures vibrant results every time. Need speed and precision? Toner is your go-to. Used in laser printers, it produces clean, sharp text without smudging. Perfect for high-volume tasks, toner handles heavy workloads efficiently, making it ideal for frequent printing. So, which should you choose? For stunning color and detail, go with ink. For speed and flawless text, opt for toner. Both options promise consistent, high-quality results tailored to your needs. Ready to enhance your printing experience? Choose the right cartridge today and see the difference. Whether it's ink or toner, make the choice that suits your needs best. Check out our variety over on our website at nicheofficesolutions.co.uk or contact us via email info@nicheofficesolutions.co.uk or phone number 01274 965 089.